My name is Chris Aponte, and this is a 3-minute legit checking guide on the Off-White 5 Muslin. The box will have these cheese holes in it. You must understand that this release is about 3 years old, so it should look a little bit older. It shouldn't look brand spanking new. There is a stamp on the inside of the box. It's plastic, it should be clear. There should be a Jumpman on it, and then there should be Off-White branding looking just like that. There should be a YCM sticker in the box. YCM sticker is a pretty good clue because a lot of fake factories don't use it. They use those silica bags, and the silica bags are a good clue that it's fake. The swoosh from end to end should be 5.5 centimeters. And the height from the top of the Nike to the bottom of the Air should be 3.5 centimeters. Typically, the wording will not resize too often, so the wording should look like this on most sizes. And then we see a semi-gloss black on the back of the midsole. The size of the 23 is a big one. Measure in metric because that's what they use to manufacture. Horizontally is 2 centimeters on the dot, and vertically is 1 7/10 centimeters. Might look like it's silly to measure it, but that is a great clue for this shoe because fake factories have done an excellent job in making this shoe. The lace lock should look white and cloudy. I've seen some fakes where it looks yellowed, and that's a good clue. And then the ripstop material on the front should not have those frays. It's gonna be a 3M tongue, but I haven't seen a fake that hasn't done that correctly. Shoelaces. On the shoelaces, these are exactly 5.5 centimeters across. If anything is kind of tilted or if there's some screen printing missing, that is not a good clue. This is a mass manufactured shoe that can happen. The extra lace bag should be on the right shoe on the medial side. Should be 2 bags and they should have a red stripe on them. Jordan shoe insert, but it is also wrapped in tissue paper. Black foam midsole on the inside. It does say AJ1 here and it says 10.5 to 11.5. And then there is a code here. It should have the arch support. We have a felt top and Nike Air branding on the heel in red. Just a nylon footbed. Looks like black stitching, a whole lot of it. And then there is a stamp. The zip tie is black with white lettering. I do see glue on the midsole to upper join, and that is typical. The Air unit does light up a bit. The outsole appears like a light grape right in the middle here. I would classify the upper under UV light as looking a burgundy color. And the white lettering does show up a bit pink under UV light. I do want to point out the new StockX tags as of 2023. They shine a bright yellow. And that concludes the under 3-minute authentication guide of the Off-White 5 Muslins. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, hit that like, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one.